Hello friends, in the previous tutorials we have seen how to install JDK and how to install Android Studio. So we have pretty much everything to start. Today we'll create a simple application, and while creating an application we'll came to know which version of API or which version of Android we should use, which will support more devices, and also we'll be seeing how to install Emulator to run our applications. So let's get started. For that, first we'll create a project. New project. Let's select basic activities so that we can see the basic layout. Choose application name. Now one more thing we need to take care: when we are creating an application, we need to see which version of API we need to use, which version of Android API we need to use. So here are the list of versions of APIs with API label and their versions. So if you see, higher the version we'll choose, will get more number of API labels. It means we'll get more enhanced features or more Android features will get, but at the same time it will not support enough number of Android. So let's say if you choose 28 versions, or if you choose 29 versions, so the distribution, if you see, it is going to support only 8.2%, while if you choose 4.0 version, it's gonna support 99.8 devices. So there should be some balance between the API and as well as the Android version. So I'll prefer to use Lollipop, yeah, because it's gonna support 94% of devices. So it's up to you, right, what version of Android version you want to use, but just make sure when we are choosing the version, it should support maximum number of devices. The basic layout is there. Go over here because we don't need that much, we just need, so let's create a simple button over here. Let's change the name to say hello. Now to install or to run this application, we need a emulator or either a device. So let's install emulator. So we'll go over here, AVD manager, click on AVD manager. So very first time when you land on this page or this when you create an application, so you won't see this option at all, Pixel 2 API, because since I already configure a virtual device, that's why it's coming over here. So to configure that, we'll go over here, click on the AVD manager. Now click on the virtual device. Now here we can see the list of fonts: Pixel, Pixel 3, 3SA. We can choose any font. Let's say I want to choose Pixel 2. Click next, make it download, accept the terms, accept the terms. It's gonna take couple of minutes to download everything. Once done, now we can see the Pixel 2 is installed. Click on finish, and that's how we can create a simple application and install virtual device. Now let's run the application, and now we can see say hello button. So to summarize what we have done so far in this tutorial, so we came to know which version we should use while working on creating an application, also how to install virtual device, and how to run a simple application. So that's all we have for this session. Thanks for watching.